Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about the ultimate guide to building an Amazon listing. Let's get into it. Let's talk about how to build a strong Amazon listing from the ground up. This process is essential for anyone launching a product on Amazon, whether you're new or experienced. A great listing helps customers find your product, understand its value, and ultimately make a purchase. The first step is research. Start by looking at your top competitors. Check their titles, bullet points, product descriptions, images, and even the reviews they're getting. This will give you a sense of what's working in your niche and what kind of messaging is resonating with customers. At the same time, define your target customer. Think about their needs, their search behavior, and what kind of words or phrases they might type into the Amazon search bar. These are the phrases you want to use across your listing content to help Amazon understand what your product is about and to help shoppers quickly connect with it. Traditionally, listing creation has revolved around keyword optimization. You gather a list of relevant keywords, use them in your title, bullets, and backend search terms, and then launch PPC campaigns to see which terms perform best. Over time, you focus more and more on the handful of keywords that bring in most of your sales. But with the introduction of Amazon's new search engine, Cosmo, this process is changing. Cosmo is based on generative AI technology, which means it doesn't process language the same way traditional search engines do. Instead of scanning for exact keywords, it breaks search phrases into tokens, small units of data, and processes them using mathematical models. That means Amazon is no longer matching exact keywords one-to-one. It's analyzing intent. This is where your listing visuals become even more important. With Cosmo, Amazon can now understand the content of images. If your listing says black polo shirt, but the image shows a beige one, your product may not appear in search results for black polo shirt. The algorithm will weigh the image and determine that it doesn't match the customer's intent. So moving forward, building a listing means balancing written content and visual presentation. Your text should include well-researched, relevant keywords, not because the algorithm requires them specifically, but because they still help communicate value and relevance to the customer. But your images must also clearly reflect the product's purpose, usage, and context. If the product is for office use, show it in an office. If it's targeted to parents, show it being used by a family. All of these signals work together to help Amazon decide whether your listing is the right match for a specific customer search. To summarize, building a strong Amazon listing today requires a blend of traditional keyword research and modern content optimization. It's no longer just about fitting in the right words. It's about understanding your customer, matching their intent, and using visuals to reinforce your message. This approach ensures that your product stands out, connects with shoppers, and performs well in both organic search and paid campaigns. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this guide helps you build listings that not only rank well, but also convert effectively. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.